Why do over 30% of Windows users hit a wall with updates like KB5062660? Is it bad luck, a stubborn bug, or just classic Windows drama? Here's how you fix it. Fast. First, try the classic pause updates and settings. Wait a minute. Then hit resume. Sometimes Windows just needs a breather. Still stuck? Run the Windows update. Troubleshooter from settings. System. Troubleshoot. If that doesn't work, let's go manual. Search for KB5062660 on the Microsoft Update Catalog, download the correct file, and double-click to install. Still no luck? Time to reset Windows Update components using Command Prompt as admin. Don't worry, just follow the steps in the description below. As a last resort, try Microsoft's Installation Assistant or the Media Creation tool to repair things while keeping your files safe. And hey, if KB5062660 is just an optional update, you can skip it and wait for the next round. Stay patient, you've got this.